Welcome to Instrulogic channel. Today, we're diving into a quick MCQ quiz on common problems with electromagnetic flow meters, especially focusing on repair and maintenance. If you work with instrumentation or just want to sharpen your troubleshooting skills, this is for you. Stick around and test your knowledge. Let's get started. Question number 1. Zero reading even with flow present. Most likely cause will be? Question number 2. Erratic reading jumping up and down. First check should be? Question number 3. Flow shows reverse when actually forward. Likely to fix? Question number 4. Reading drifts slowly to zero over time. Common cause will be? Question number 5. High noise in slurry service. Practical action should be? Question number 6. Empty pipe alarm active with full pipe. What to inspect first? Question number 7. Zero shift after maintenance. Best practice should be? Question number 8. No output pulses to PLC though display shows flow. Likely issue will be? Question number 9. Reading saturates at maximum. What configuration to review? Question number 10. Magnetic meter installed near VFD driven pump, unstable reading. What to fix? Great job completing the quiz. How many did you get right? Drop your score in the comments below. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical instrumentation tips and quizzes. Until next time, keep learning and stay safe in the field.